What's up guys, this is Manoj Kumar. Today we are going to see how to connect the MySQL Workbench with the MySQL server which is present on the Xampp. Okay, let's get started. So, so guys, if you see my previous video to how to install my MySQL Workbench and the MySQL server, I have installed MySQL Workbench and connected with the separate MySQL server in that video. So let me open the system preferences and you can see that here is the MySQL server and it is active. First we have to stop this MySQL server and then only we can connect the MySQL Workbench with the MySQL server which is present on the Xampp. Okay, I have stopped this MySQL server and I will just close this system preferences. Now I will just open Xampp. I will start Xampp. So I will start MySQL server. I think it may take a few seconds. Wait for it. Yeah, it is started, and now I will just start my MySQL server. I will hit start apache, then I will open the terminal which is present in the Xampp. Now I will just minimize this. I have some piece of code to run and I will just open those things. Now we have to enter into the MySQL console -u root -p. Yes, there is no password, so you can hit enter. Yeah, we have just opened the MySQL server. Now we will have to see the host and the usernames already present. Yeah, I have just opened the host and users from the MySQL server and I'm going to add another user because we cannot just use the root user in the MySQL workbench, so that only I'm going to use add another user to access the database from the MySQL server which is provided by the Xampp. So just create username is Manoj Kumar and at identified by I'm just leaving password as just password, that's all. So I will just enter and now I'm just going to grant the permission for the new user that is I have created and I'm going to grant all the permissions. So now we will just see the host and the users again. So you guys can see that I have created a new user called Manoj Kumar and the host is just the symbol, so it we can just enter the Apache's IP, that's all. So the work is done in this terminal. We will just terminate this thing or we will just close this thing. We'll also close this. Now we will open MySQL Workbench. Yeah, it has been opened. Now hit this plus icon. It will open another tab to open connect a connection. Here enter the connection name, like whatever you want. um, MySQL connection, like this. And I in this host we have to enter the Apache's IP. Now yeah, this IP, you guys see this IP address which is provided by the Xampp, right? We'll enter this here. Leave the port number as default, and the username we have to enter the user we have created in the MySQL server username. This is the username, and here you have to enter the password. Store in kitchen, hit it and enter the password we have created for the username, and it is just password what is I have created. Yeah, hit OK. Now we will just test connection. It shows like connection warning, but the connection will be successful. Hit continue anyway. Yeah, successfully made the MySQL connection. Yeah, so you guys can see the host, the port, username, and the SSL not enabled. Okay, and we will just hit OK. Here is the new connection. Yeah, we have just opened. See, you guys can access any database from here. That's all. Okay guys, we have just connected MySQL Workbench with the MySQL Server which is present in the Xampp, not the one we have just installed separately. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.